Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Prasan and today I'm going to show you how to create a data form for balance sheet by month in which year and entity are as a variable. Okay, so let's start. So first we jump to our application. Here you can see the navigator. So in the navigator you see create and manage and then go to forms. Okay, so this is our library. We will expand that and I will create a data form in this FCCS underscore balance sheet. Then I will create the create icon. So I will name it as balance sheet by month in which year and entity as variable. Okay, so click next. You can also give the description as well. Okay, so this is a layout. Here you can see various point of view, or you can say the dimensions. So to make the form, I will take the account dimension to the rows and the year dimension to the column, as we are making it as variable, and entity also to the columns. Okay, but there is one catch in this. I will tell you later. So yeah, so I will take the scenario to the page so we can have multiple scenarios. Yeah, and okay, everything is fine then. No need for any changes in this. So let's save this. We will come back to this as well. And okay, so click finish. So I'm going to make variable for the year and entity. To do this, we just have to go to the variables in the tools and create one variable. So we will click on the plus icon and then we will choose the dimension for the year. Okay, here it is. And you can give any name like multiple years. Okay, then we'll choose the years we want to add. So I will take only 5 years in this case. Like I will choose them 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so move further, click save. Okay, the records are being saved, and for the entity we again have to click yes on click plus. Okay, so our dimension is here. So yeah, we choose the entity and click, and you can give any name like entity names, or I will choose that names, and we have to select the entities you want to like use in this. So click on this icon, you have that hierarchy. So I will choose the entity which I have created, that is violet, and I will choose the descendants of it. Okay, so the descendants are being selected. Click OK, and then we have to save this. Okay, so further we have to move to the user preferences. Go to user variables, and here you will find your dimension you have created. So I've created entity and entity names. So for the timing I will give it as v1, which is my entity alias I'm going to choose, and for multiple years I will choose fy, 2015. Okay, or you can choose it from here also. Okay, click save. Okay, so now let's go to our forms again. Go to library, go to balance sheet and look for our form, that is this one. Click on the edit, go to layout. Yes, now here we have to give the POVs. So period I will select Jan. One more thing, I will take it at to the page. Yeah, so scenario I will make actual and select one more. I will choose plan as well. Click OK. Okay, both are there, and view will be periodic in my case. Currency will be entity currency. Movement will be no movement for now. Data sources data input. Consolidation entity input. Intercompany will be no intercompany. Multi-gap will be local gap. Product will be no product. Okay, so I will choose the accounts from here. I know one or two accounts which I am going to add this in this. Okay, so these are the accounts I am going to add. These are the accounts of the hierarchy of current assets. So I added all of them, the 4 accounts, and then yes, in this you have to choose the variables. I go to years, go to variables. First of all, I will remove all of them if there is any member here, and then I will choose my multiple years. Okay, I click on this and click add. Okay, so here you can see we have the multiple years as variable, and for entity we will do the same. Go click on this and go to edit and go to variables, and again we will remove this all, and the variable we have made is entity names. Okay, and click add. Yeah, it is added, and click OK, and then we will save this. Okay, data form has been saved. So to view this form, we can preview from here, or we can open it in smart view. So we will go to data forms, go to navigator, click data. Okay, and here we will find our form. Go to data. So my form is in balance sheet, and yeah, this is my form. Click on this. Okay, so I will explain this now. So we have put it the scenario and the period in the page, so we have it as dynamic. We can change it later, or we can change it, and this is a form, and you can also put numbers in this, or you can just open this in smart view. So I will not fill any numbers in this. I will open it in smart view. So go to actions and click open in smart view. So here it is a link generated. You can open this. It is opening. Okay, so as you can see, our form is open in smart view, and you can see we can change the scenario and we can change the period as well. Okay, but we have only selected the Jan period in the period dimension, so we only have the Jan. And as you can see, we have the year FY15 which we have selected in the user preference, and we have the entity, and these are the accounts we have added. So I can put the numbers here, like I will add 15,000 and then click submit. It's a bit slow. Okay, yeah, so you can see that our amount has been submitted, and you can see at actual we have 50,000 in this account 101, and let's change it to plan and see if our amount has been gone or not. Okay, yes. So now in plan we don't have any amount, because we have put in numbers in actual. Again I will change to actual and click refresh. So this is a type of dynamic form. So to change the entity or the years, we have made it variable. We just have to go to the application and go to the variables, go to user preference, and just I will change the name of the entity, like I will make it 2v2, and the multiple year I will make it as, like I will make it as 2017. Okay, so click save. Okay, preference has been saved. And the beauty is, as if you just saved it and click refresh, you can see the change in the POVs. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, so this was the case of making a data form in which balance sheet by month, in which year and entity is variable. So thank you for watching, and if you have any query, please visit our website bspsolutions.com, and thank you.